All right, folks. Here today, replace a gas valve. See here. Hopefully we got some light. Yep. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 units up here. I believe it is the York one. Oh, there's 2 Yorks. There's 2 Yorks. Shoot. So I might have to make a phone call because they sent me over here today to replace a gas valve, one of the electronic gas valves. But they did not tell me which unit it is. And there's one here, one here. Both of them a York. So be right back. Okay, so we confirmed it's the smaller unit. This is a bigger one. But I gotta watch out because that wood right there is kind of flimsy when I stepped on it. And I don't want to go through anywhere. So let's see. Just gonna put my bag up here. Yeah, I don't trust this wood. So this unit service the upstairs, I believe he said. So it's the other tech who came and diagnosed this unit. So let me see here. Sorry, I had to kind of cut it off there. The homeowner came over to make sure I found the correct unit. Let's see if I can. I assume this is the power switch over here. Yep. Okay, so apparently we're replacing this guy right here. So not sure what the rubber tube is. I believe probably for the pressure switch to the inducer. No, this is too short. Let's see. Oh no, that may be it. Yeah, that may be it. So he has this gal. So it goes in like this. Okay. Alright. Shut the gas. Damn. There we go. So yeah, let me set you guys up with the tripod and give you guys a better view so I can work better, because with the chest mount, the camera's kind of shaky. Okay, so power is off. I'll start by unhooking down here. Suppressors. put pipe dope on this. I'm not supposed to put any on this connection. Okay, so we got the gas flex off. And now, put our fencing wrenches away for now. Grab the pipe wrench. No, the other way. Yeah, this way. Okay. Alright, make sure clear anything that gets in there. Alright. Readjust the camera here a little bit higher. There we go. Alright, so now to disconnect these two wires, we have this entire wiring in the way, so I'm just gonna cut that and then I'll put a new zip tie in there. There we go. Okay. Replace this one over here too. There we go. Chin tip. Give us a little bit more room in here. This gas. Little guard right here gets in the way. So, all the gas valve is out. Just gonna clean, put it on the pipe a little bit. New one here. Just gotta take the top cap first. Oh, put put it back in. Let me put some pipe thread on there. You don't have to put a whole lot, because when you start spinning it, it'll start moving it around. So there we go. Now we take the cap off. Just remember to put this back in. Just put it back where it was. I'm gonna leave it right there. It went in pretty good, so we just make sure this is not touching any connections. Okay. Yeah, she's in there. I don't want to keep threading it too much, but what? It's in. It's covered. That's not gonna leak. So. Clean the threads on this one. Trying to get anything that's in here that could potentially clog that. So this is why you don't put pipe thread on this side, because it has, the pipe has the flex has a flare that sits here, so you don't need to put pipe dope on this. Just trying to remove as much as I can. So there we go. Stick that in. Grab the pipe dope. There we go. Okay, so this also completely covered the threads. So you just put a bit on there and you start spinning it, it'll cover the rest of the threads. So just gonna put this gas flex back on. That's the flare I'm talking about. Inside. Yeah, like I said before, I'm not the one who diagnosed this. It was the other technician, so yeah. So I'm gonna wire this back up. I'm gonna put some straps up there, and what else? And I'll power it back on and we'll check the gas pressure. Okay, so I'm not able to check the gas right now, so I wired everything back. I'm not able to check the gas pressure right now. I might need to go get me a different adapter because this one has smaller and mine is pretty big. So I know usually they come with an Allen that you just take off and just thread it in. But this one is significantly smaller, so I might need to go to the store and see if I can find one. But they should not have to use the heat this next couple days. It's gonna start warming up, but we need to do this because if we don't do it now, I'm sure I'm not gonna come back to do it. So gas valve, manual shut off valve is open, nothing is leaking. So let's just turn on the power. And what we're gonna do is I do not want to walk down to the thermostat. I'm just gonna grab my jumper here. And we're gonna jump red and white. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Make sure it kicks on and it's working. Okay, here comes the igniter. There we go. All right. We got flame. Awesome. Just make sure the blower kicks on. Good double click. And blower's on. So I can feel the vibration. So she is working. So yeah, here, change this White Rogers electronic gas valve. Heater is working. Blower's on. She's heating. So yeah, cool. We got it all taken care of. So just wanted to mention to you guys, if you guys have any specific videos or topics or anything that you guys would like to see, let me know, so that way I can film a little bit better on those topics and whatnot. I'm also going to be doing videos in Spanish for the people who don't speak English. I'm originally from Puerto Rico, so my Spanish is pretty good. I have been here in the US for only 6 years. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing videos in Spanish too, let me know. So please click subscribe, like, and you have a great day.